Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood. This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised.
Ang pelikulang ito ay rated R16. Maaaring may tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, nudity, sexual, katatakutan, at droga na maaaring hindi angkop sa mga may edad na mababa sa 16 na taong gulang.
Spread, spread, spread.